Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome to the music section of BTS's Dynamite dance tutorial. So if you guys are looking for the explanation part of the tutorial, make sure you guys click it in the description box below, or I have it up here too. You know the drill. Today we will be going 75, 90, and full speed. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It does help me a lot, so thank you so much. As per usual, don't forget this video is mirrored. And let's get started.
Let's go!
Thank you so much for learning this dance with me. I hope you really enjoyed this. I love BTS so much, my ultimate group. So I'm super excited. I'm just so bubbly right now. It's such a good song. I want to see your covers, so please tag me on Instagram at felicia.covers or on TikTok, felicia.covers. I have all my Instagram social media in the description box below, so go check that out. Thank you so much for all your support once again. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Alrighty guys,